Ever wondered about the secret behind strong, reliable seals? The answer is closer than you think. Welcome to Caulk.co, your one-stop destination for all your caulking needs. We offer an extensive range of products designed to provide a sturdy and waterproof seal for gaps and cracks in your home or workspace. Our products boast of superior bonding strength, durability, and flexibility, making them the perfect solution for both indoor and outdoor applications. With Caulk.co, you can bid farewell to those pesky leaks and drafts and welcome a safer, more comfortable environment. At Caulk.co, we believe in the power of quality. That's why all our products are rigorously tested to ensure they meet the highest industry standards. From kitchens and bathrooms to windows and doors, trust Caulk.co to deliver a seal that lasts. Experience the difference with Caulk.co today. For a seal that speaks strength, choose Caulk.co, where quality meets reliability. Break time in